Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Kung bago pa po kayo sa channel na to, please don't forget to tap the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa susunod kong mga video. I'm Chris Ugaw-Ugaw, isang mechanical engineer at may asawa. Paano ko napunta sa ganitong business? Nakita ko lang tong business na to sa YouTube at nag-take action lang po ako kasi naghanap ko ng extra pagkakitaan habang may trabaho pa po ako. Itong video na to ay para sa iyo kung ikaw ay pagod na sa trabaho, gusto na ng time at saka financial freedom, gusto na mag-quit sa day job, gusto na makasama ang pamilya, hindi na sapat ang sahod, gusto na magsimula ng sariling negosyo. At gusto magkaroon ng additional income at early retirement at magkaroon ng backup plan at magkaroon ng additional business. So the best business for today, unang-una is the basic needs and lifestyle. Pangalawa is trending business. Pangatlo is market accepted. Pang-apat, 24/7 operational. Panglima is portable. Pang-anim is global privilege. Pang-pito is wide market. Pang-walo is di napapanis, di na utang at di nag-i-expire. Welcome sa company. The Global Travel and Tours was established year 2012. So 12 years in service. At registered po tayo sa Travel Promotion Board Philippines at saka sa Philippine Travel Agency Association. So ito po yung may-ari ng company, si Mr. Emmanuel Pascual, CPA by profession at dating nagtrabaho sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. At meron pa mga affiliates company like FMRN Corporation, RiceMart, Accrecio, Generics Pharmacy at Prefab. In terms of legalities, legal po tayo, registered po tayo sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, sa Security and Exchange Commission, sa Anti-Money Laundering Council, at saka meron tayong permit sa Quezon City. So mayroon tayong awards and accreditation sa Silver Pearl Award sa Philippine Airlines sa Cebu Pacific, Gold Eagle Award, at saka sa AirAsia Red Star Award. At mayroon ding top ancillary sealer sa Global Pinoy Travel and Tours. So how to start the Global Pinoy Travel and Tours? So i-access lang po natin yung GPTT system. So mayroon na dyan yung Travel and Tours sa ticketing business. How to earn? So kikita po tayo sa airlines ticketing. Markup base po tayo, 500 ang maximum markup natin sa domestic and 1,000 sa international. For example, yung projection income natin sa domestic, for example, mayroon na-box natin na ticket na 30 person times 500 markup, so kikita tayo ng 15,000 pesos. Times 2, kikita tayo ng 30,000 pesos. Sa international naman po, ang projection natin is 30 person per pax times 1,000 yung markup. So kikita tayo ng 30,000 pesos. What if kung round trip ticket times 2 is 60,000 pesos. So ito po yung proof of domestic ticket natin. Once book and confirm, ito po yung ibigay natin sa customers na ipakita nila doon sa airport. At mayroon tayong business partner na kapag book ng 23 pax times 500 markup, so kikita po siya ng 11,500 pesos. At ito po yung proof of domestic ticket international, yun din yung ibigay natin sa client at ipakita niya sa airport. At mayroon din tayong business partner na kapag book ng 12 packs times 1,000 pesos markup, so kikita po siya ng 24,000 pesos for round trip po. So next, sa Travel and Tours, meron tayong domestic markup base po tayo. Mayroon na tayong commission. For example, may 30 packs times 500 yung markup natin. So kikita tayo ng 15,000 pesos. And sa international, mayroon ring markup sa 30 packs times 1,000. So kikita tayo ng 30,000 pesos. But ang good news, meron pa tayong additional e-services like bills payment, e-loading, and remittance. All you have to do is to avail our package. We have 5-in-1 business package. Nandyan yung ticketing, travel and tours, e-services, bills payment, remittance, and insurance. The original price is 599,000 pesos. Ito po yung payment center. Ito po yung inaabil ko. But naka-promo to ngayon worth of 249,999 pesos. 5-in-1 business. Option number 2, the business package. The 5 business platform worth of 95,000 pesos. Then option number 3 is 3 business platform worth of 57,000 pesos. Next is we have the cashbacks and rebates. Sa ticketing, for example, once may mag-book ng ticket, magkaroon tayo ng 10 pesos cashback. For example, 10 katao or 100 packs times 10 pesos, so magkakaroon tayo ng 1,000 pesos per one platform only. So sa international, meron tayong 25 pesos times 100 per packs. So kumikita tayo ng 2,500 pesos per platform. But good news or home-based affiliates. So all-in-one services, GPTT services like ticketing, travel and tours, e-services, bills payment, remittance loading, and insurance. Worth of 18,998 but limited slot only. Features of the system: one-time payment, lifetime business, no quota, no cash ban, no renewal, no royalty fee, non-territorial, at pwede ipamana sa mahal sa buhay. So what to do next? Talk or contact the person who gave you the link. Fill up the application form and letter of intent available at the cashier or franchise consultant. The franchise payment through bank deposit or over the counter and online platform. And also submit 2 valid IDs. Then be our travel partners now. Then we have the payment methods through video and security bank. May kataga po akong iwan sa inyo. If you always do what you're always done, you will always get what you're always got. So, kung anong status mo sa buhay ngayon, that's the result sa mga decision mo 5 years ago. Kung gusto mong mabago yung buhay mo, gumawa ka ng bago ngayon, later on, magbabago ang buhay mo. With that, thank you and God bless everyone. Sa mga gustong mag-avail, please contact me on my Facebook account na nakapin sa baba.